Announce this big new feature this morning. We are talking about the AI-based Eliza booking bot. That's right. We now have an AI conversational booking bot live inside High Level. This was built on top of Google's Dialogflow technology. It is amazing, and it is in the workflows, and it is live right now. So let's take a look at exactly what we're talking about and how it works. So I've gone ahead and I've added a workflow here. And I've already added Eliza to it. It's very simple to add though. You come into the workflow, you search down Eliza, and then you can add it right here. But let's take a look at what's already here and how it works. So jumping into the configuration, it's fairly simple. You're just choosing the calendar that we want to book from, the amount of time you want the bot to sort of pay attention before no longer paying attention, and just the initial message you want to go out or not if you've already set one in another way. And then at that point, the bot does its action, it does its work, and then if it's successful, it goes ahead and breaks left. If it's unsuccessful, it breaks right. And then from there, it's just, if they booked it, yes or no, and then did it time out, yes or no. Now, if the bot did time out, was unable to book an appointment, then what we're gonna wanna do there is we're gonna wanna have a human rollover in place. Click here to learn more about that. But let's take a look at exactly how the bot works in action. Okay, so I conversated this whole thing out just 5 minutes ago before, and just to save you a lot of time, I'll show you exactly what went down here. So the bot went out and said, "Do you want to book an appointment?" I said, "Sure, that sounds good." It said, "What time of day works best for you?" I said, "I prefer afternoon." It said, "What date are you thinking of?" I said, "How about tomorrow?" It looked up in the calendar to see exactly what was available. I went ahead and tried to fool it, and I said, "I'll do 3:30 with no colon here." And it picked up on that and said, "Okay, great. We'll have you all set up for August 10th at 3:30. Does that work for you?" I said, "Yep, that's great." And then it said, "Great. All right. Then August 10th at 3:30 it is then." And boom, it added that appointment automatically. And so just imagine what's happening here. So we are literally using AI and machine learning to conversate people through an appointment using natural language, the way that they would want to actually talk to a person, and we're going back and forth. This allows us to get rid of having to send out a calendar link to people if we don't want to. It really helps take over that kind of flow that we wish all of our clients would do or all of our employees would do internally. But it does so all using AI, and it's all automatic. So this is a phenomenal innovation on behalf of the dev team. It took them 4 months to get here. It's really exceptional. Now, quick call outs and caveats here. Bots are imperfect. AI is imperfect. This will not be 100% successful. That's a given. If there are people in our group who do really custom bot flows, if you need something outside of the booking flow, these are people like Quentin Newman or Matt Dicino. There's other people as well. So definitely reach out to those people. But this is really amazing because I think this totally changes the game of lead to customer, because now that same goal we wanted to get to before, we're now getting to using natural language, which is very cool and will help conversate us through it. It'll allow us to start having more natural language conversations with our clients' leads, with our leads, automatically out of the gate, regardless of the day or time. And then finally, just kind of future casting here, we all have some FAQ style stuff coming up. Also, this is expanding out into other channels as well. So these are Facebook Messenger, Instagram, all of the various channels you want. And the other cool thing is, remember, you can do things like do this off a web chat, coming off the web chat widget right now, because we turn that web chat into an SMS conversation, right? So there's a lot of amazing ways to trigger into this. I'm super excited about it. I'm very proud of the team who put this together. So I wanted to get this out to you ASAP because I think this is an awesome innovation. So I hope you're all having an awesome Monday, and we'll talk soon. Thanks.